Hello friends, today we will learn nature vocabulary in English and Hindi with images. So let's start. Waterfall. Waterfall means jharna. Cliff. Cliff means chattan. Cave. Cave means gufa. Island. Island means dweep. Volcano. Volcano means ज्वालामुखी. Desert. Desert means रेगिस्तान. Pond. Pond means तालाब. Lake. Lake means झील. Beach. Beach means समुद्र तट. Field. Field means मैदान. Dam. Dam means बांध. Path. Path means रास्ता. Bridge. Bridge means पुल. River. River means नदी. Road. Road means सड़क. Reservoir. Reservoir means जलाशय. Forest. Forest means जंगल. Ocean. Ocean means महासागर. Glacier. Glacier means हिमनद. Mountain. Mountain means पर्वत. Meadow. Meadow means घास का मैदान. Wildlife. Wildlife means वन्य जीवन. Valley. Valley means घाटी. Rainforest. Rainforest means वर्षावन. Crater. Crater means गड्ढा. Prairie. Prairie means मैदानी. Tundra. Tundra means tundra. Badland. Badland means अर्थ भूमि. Coral reef. Coral reef means मूंगा चट्टान. Savanna. Savanna means लंबा चौड़ा चरागाह. Sunrise. Sunrise means सूर्योदय. Mars. Mars means दलदल. Plateau. Plateau means पठार. Peninsula. Peninsula means प्रायद्वीप. Coast. Coast means तट. Wilderness. Wilderness means जंगल. Ecosystem. Ecosystem means पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र. Sunset. Sunset means सूर्यास्त. Bay. Bay means खाड़ी. Breeze. Breeze means हवा. Dune. Dune means dune. Canyon. Canyon means घाटी. Gorge. Gorge means कंठ. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.